Hello. Welcome to Saksı Campus's new application, Saksı AI. Saksı AI is a learning platform that answers all your questions while you study and makes your individual study sessions more efficient. Let's take a look together. To get started, we upload our lecture notes to the file upload area. In the window that opens, we will create our study set. The work we do will be saved to this study set, and when we want to access it again later, we can find it here. I give the study set a name and enter a learning goal. By clicking Send, I create my study set. The screen that opens is our main screen. Here you can open your lecture notes in the Saksı AI interface and start studying. If you have questions about your notes or there are parts you don't understand, you can ask your questions to the AI tutor that opens on the right side of the screen and instantly receive detailed answers. Thanks to the voice feature, you can ask your questions by speaking, as if you were in a private online lesson, and receive spoken answers. What is the output of the simulation?
Simülasyonun çıktısı, girdilerin bilindiği bir sistemde sonuçların tahmin edilmesi ve belirlenmesi sürecine dayanır.
Using the text selection feature, I select the part I don't understand and ask for a detailed explanation. At the same time, we can also request explanations for visuals and graphics along with the text. I click on Select Visual and choose my graphic. I ask my question. With Saksı AI, you can generate summaries from your lecture notes. To create a summary, I go to the Summary tab at the top left, and an automatic summary is generated. We can create quizzes from our lecture notes. With quizzes, you can assess your knowledge and identify your gaps. Here I will create a quiz consisting of 4 questions that covers the entire document. I can create my quiz to cover the entire document, or if there is a specific topic in my lecture notes that I want to focus on more, I can filter the relevant pages here and create a quiz specifically on that topic. By answering the questions, I can see the correct answers. When I click Finish Quiz, I can access the evaluation of my entire quiz. We can use AI-generated flashcards to help us remember the concepts in our notes. After entering the number of flashcards we want to generate here, just like in the quiz, we can create flashcards that cover the entire document, or focus on a specific topic by filtering the relevant pages.